Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. This video is not really a tutorial, but it is a kind of like tips to do with shading and blending colours. So first of all, shading. This is like the normal kind of gradient. So you start off, you can start off light and go to dark, but I'm going to start off dark to go light because it's easier. Really dark. And then gradually get lighter. Like that, so that's like a gradient. And then you can do blending, so you can blend the gradient. I'll just do and use a finger to blend. And then that blends the colours together. And you can blend this, drag down, but then it blends it into kind of like one colour. You can also blend with coloured pencils. I've got two colours. I've got yellowed orange and pale vermilion. These two colours are next to each other in my set. So start with the red. Then add the orange. You can go over into the red. And bring it out like that. And as you can see that is very blended. Then you could keep going and keep going, adding the colours to both, and soon you will end up creating a whole new colour in the middle there, a mixture of the two. To help it, you can add something called blender, which I have here, and you can add that to the top and it blends them nicely. And they blend together nicely. You can also add, if you want, something called a burnisher. So if you place that down, then when you draw on top, it gives that kind of smooth feeling. What you can do is you do really hard, when you go over the top, it kind of like doesn't allow you to colour there. When you go over the top, you can see, you have to press down really hard with the burnisher. You can just about see where I used it. So I'll try and do better this time. There you can see the part where I used the burnisher, as it is a light colour. So there are some techniques for blending with pencils and with coloured pencils. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be back next week with another one.